This is a message to Canada and all the American Tawaghi. We are coming and we will destroy you.
Burning his passport, Farah Mohammed Sheridan made sure he would never leave the fight with ISIS. The 20-something former student from Calgary's Somali-Canadian community also sent a message back home. ISIS is stealing their youth.
So far, what I notice is 6 people.
6. That's the number community leader Mohammed Accord says have left Edmonton to go to Syria. More are missing. Accord says radicalists are directly recruiting young Somali Canadians, feeding on lack of opportunity and the hardship of fitting into a new culture.
They can say, ha, you belong there, you're welcome, your value, your contribution value. That's what's missing, and that's what they're offering over there. They're saying, wow, you're brotherhood. That's why the people join the gangs. There's so many things that we can offer them, but we have to offer them because those guys, they're doing a better job than we're doing.
On how they get overseas, how jihadists contact them. The facts are sparse. What the community has comes secondhand. But it's no small issue. Alberta has 35,000 Somali Canadians. The Canadian Somali Congress says of the 12,000 in Edmonton, 60% are recent immigrants or first generation under 30. That's the target demographic for ISIS. It's a problem large enough to get the government on board.
From meeting with the Somali community, these are peaceful people. There are some radicals in their groups, and they want to help their youth from day one.
Obviously, it's a concern.
It is a major concern.
Around here, it's a tough topic. Critics say by going to the media, Accord is self-serving, creating harmful stereotypes, making life even harder for young people who aren't getting recruited. They point to the fact of the 160 Canadians fighting jihad overseas, only 2 are confirmed as Somalian. Accord agrees it's an issue for all communities, but says saving lives is what's important.
What I'm saying, those people who think that we can hide our head in the sand and this thing will cure itself, I think they're wrong. Cancer is cancer. This issue is a cancer. If you hide it, you know what happens.
A Canadian issue targeting the future of our nation. I'm Joshua Skurnick, and this is a Sun News Special Report.